Hey guys, welcome back. Another Aussie track this time. So headed to Raleigh Raceway. So it's located near Coffs Harbour. So it actually used to be a go-kart track, I believe. Now it's used for drifting and rally. So it's got a bit of elevation change, which makes it quite nice to drive. I wanted to use the 350 in the last video, but it just wasn't suited to that track. So back in the 350 this time. It's a lot tighter track, so it's a lot more suited to this. So with that, let's jump in. Alright, we'll just do a lap around first. So you come up and crest this hill. I'm going to try and reduce a lot of speed to then make it through the chicane here. And you got a bit of a straight through a hairpin here. And a hairpin back the other way. They're quite tight, and then you come to another hairpin that's a bit more open. Another straight that links to a 90-degree corner. Bit of elevation change going up a hill. And you've got this quite tight section here that switches back on itself. Another little hairpin, then onto the straight. Alright, so let's give it a go. So, third up the hill, I find this car runs out of power. So, kind of focusing on what I'm doing. I find it difficult to link that straight there, so just second gear through the hairpins. Hitting limiter, so back up to third. The more open one. Use the clutch a bit, so there's some RNG down here. If you can get this right, which it didn't, but back to second to the tight section. Down the bottom. And onto the straight and back in third. So that's, yeah, a lap. So like I said, it's a bit hard in this car to keep it going all the way up the hill. And then I find this section, I guess, well, not really sure what to do. I find the straight a bit long to try and bungee. It's kind of the same with this one, but gives me opportunity to shift up to third. And then one way. And then nice and tight. I let the revs drop too much then and go out above. I came out of the power band a second. Alright, just regather. So yeah, I don't mind the layout, and I guess knowing it's a real track close to me. Whoop, took out the tyres. Oh, sorry, so yeah, knowing that it's a real track close to me. Or close-ish. Have that bias of enjoying it. But there's some good sections, and then there's, like, I find these straights just a bit too long. Well, I should have been in third. Yeah, I do like the layout. It's fun. I can honestly say that about most tracks, to be honest. So there's two main parts of the track I like. So up here, when you get this right, you keep it sideways. Yeah, I just can't get that. So that top section going over the hill and then through the chicane. And then the other section that I enjoy, well, it's really just kind of like one corner, to be honest, rather than sections. So if you can get speed up here, oh, too far. Into the sides. This part here, when you get it correct, you just throw the back of the car in because of the way the road goes. So this mod seems pretty well done. I did find the grass kind of distracting at first, but oops. Yeah, I guess now it's fine. The trees are a bit bland, but the actual track itself is good. I don't know if it actually has the looks like concrete edges. This is meant to be a. Actually, I'm not sure when this mod was created. So I found two mods, and this is one of them. I guess this is kind of the better looking one. But as for which one has the actual more accurate layout, I'm not sure. They both have this general layout. So I know I've said in the past, you do like tracks where you can stop that. Where you can just keep going around in loops. And that's what this is, but it does at least have little sections where you can just take it easy for a sec. I'll do a couple more laps. I'm going to try and get this little section up here right with the backy. Really see if we can throw it in there and well, I threw it in there, but I couldn't save it. Yeah, Raleigh is a fun course. Hopefully the track stays open for a lot longer. Seems to be a thing in Australia. I don't know if other countries are the same. Where motorsport just gets pushed out because of development and track closures. So I think this might be a little bit out. Apparently it's only 15 minutes from Coffs Harbour, which really isn't that far out. Oh, just going to pull it out of third then, but meant to be in third. I still enjoy the 350, but I didn't save that. Alright, let's see if we can get the back for here again. We're not going to have the speed though. I don't think I've said it for a while, but VR very much makes a difference for drifting. So I think I could go back to monitor. I just can't hold it up the hill. Alright, last go. Didn't really save that too well. Look at it. Just spinning it now. back to second then, just to try and save it. Back to third. Just hold it. Yeah, so Raleigh, fun track down at Coffs Harbour. The mods, it's decent, it's good. Yeah, they have go-karts in there, by the look of it. I do recommend the layout. It's fun. Like I said, I'm biased because it is a track in Australia. But, you know, the elevation change is quite good. Like you can see that over there over the hill. I do recommend it. With that, thanks for watching, guys.